Don't keep looking for an excuse to not get into the trade. Don't try finding opportunities that are not there, and don't miss out on the ones that are there. Hi, and welcome back to the 17 mistakes that most traders make, even advanced traders. Let's see whether you do it, because beginners make it for sure. And mistake number 9 is over-analyzing the trade. You see, what many unsuccessful traders allow themselves to be influenced by their last unsuccessful trades. So instead of sticking to their plan, they find themselves adding additional rules in the hope of improving their trading system. I'll give you an example. Your trading system is a set of rules which you follow in order to achieve the same results. That's what a system is there for. By adding additional untested rules, you might end up with so many rules that you'll never actually enter the trade or enter less trades. And you can find that by missing out on trades that you should have taken, you could dramatically decrease your success levels. Now let me give you an example. Let's say in your original trading system, every time you make a winning trade, you make £100. But every time you lose a trade, you lose £50. That's referred to as a 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio. Now, in 1 month, you make 20 winning trades, 10 losing trades. That's £1,500 profit. However, you decide that you want to change the system in order to make fewer losses, right? So you add more rules, tweaking. So in your new trading system, you have 10 winning trades and 4 losing trades. And this now gives you a profit of £800. So you've actually made less, and you've lost out on a potential £700. Look, the best thing to do is to follow your system at all times. Have a checklist, tick, tick, tick. And if the conditions are not met, don't enter the trade. If they are, enter the trade. And this will allow you to enter and exit without emotions. No emotion, no thinking, just follow the rules. That is why it is so important to have a trading plan. Okay? So don't keep changing the system. Don't keep looking for an excuse to not get into the trade. Okay? Your system should give you all the analysis that you need to decide whether to get into the trade or not. Don't try finding opportunities that are not there, and don't miss out on the ones that are there. Just follow the system. Don't overanalyze it. I'll give you another one, okay? Some traders see a potential trade that fills all the criteria, but don't enter the trade. They call this analysis paralysis, because given the time, you could actually overanalyze anything and then you don't get in, and that would be a big mistake. Here's an example. Let's say a new trader has made 3 losses in a row, okay? And he says, right, that's it. The next time the same thing happens, he decides not to get in, okay? Now, he would have missed out on a trade that would have covered his losses and given him profit, which, by the way, is the whole point of following the plan. Now, let's say he risked £100 on that trade. That's 3 losses, right? He would have lost 300. But if it would have been a winner, that means he would have made £400 on that. But because he didn't, guess what? He's now in a loss of minus 300. And that's what over-analyzing and can lead to analysis paralysis does to you. So very simple, just like I say, have a checklist. What we do is we advise people to have like a cheat sheet, which is up in front of their computer. And, you know, if there's an emotion because it's gone up too fast or gone down too fast or something's happening, you just go, what do I need to do? You look up, you know, and that's your trading plan. It's a 1-pager which says, what do you do in every single situation? So all we can do is follow our strategy that has been proven to give us a profitable return over the long run, and don't overanalyze your trading. I hope that made sense to you, and I wonder whether you make that mistake. And always remember, if there's anybody else out there who might be making these mistakes, please send them to these videos to avoid these mistakes that can be so easily avoided. And remember, always invest with passion and profit.